Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Graco 17G180 Magnum Pro X19 Paint Sprayers. You can revolutionize your workday with this Graco Pro Series sprayers. Property maintenance pros, remodelers or general contractors turn projects around smarter and faster with the Pro X19. The Pro Exchange pump replacement system allows you to replace the pump on the job with no tools, eliminating downtime and keeping you spraying. Includes SG3 metal spray gun with built-in swivel, RAC4 515 switch tip, 50-foot Duraflex paint hose, pump armor storage fluid, power flush adapter, quick startup guide and operation manual. Flexible suction tube allows you to spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint bucket. Power flush adapter connects to a garden hose for fast and easy cleaning. Our second best paint sprayers is HomeRight 2,412,331 Paint Sprayer. The HomeRight Quick Finish Paint Sprayer is designed to apply a smooth, consistent finish on small-sized projects such as furniture, decor, crafts and more. It offers superior results compared to the average brush or spray can and features multiple adjustable settings to suit your project needs. With a quick adjustment, you can change between the 3 spray patterns and adjust the flow control knob to increase or decrease material output. The sprayer is designed to spray a wide variety of paints and stains such as thin latex paints, stains, sealers, enamel and more. Thanks to the innovative Lock and Go technology, you can quickly separate the motor from the cup and gun to easily change materials or colors and clean up right in a sink. The quick finish cleans up in less than 10 minutes due to the simple design and few parts to clean. Third in our list is HomeRight Finish Max Paint Sprayer. The HomeRight Finish Max Paint Sprayer is great for beginners and experts alike when painting and refinishing furniture, kitchen cabinets, trim, and more. This versatile sprayer applies a smooth finish and can be used with chalk and milk paint, latex paints, enamels, primers, clear sealer, polyurethane, stain and varnish. The Finish Max uses high volume, low pressure HVLP technology and it has a turbine motor, which means that a separate air compressor isn't needed. The Finish Max has 3 adjustable spray patterns: horizontal, vertical, round and an adjustable flow control knob for more project versatility. Plus it can hold 27 ounces of paint, which means less refilling when working on larger projects. The unit is lightweight at only 2.76 pounds, which reduces hand fatigue when painting or staining projects. The Finish Max comes with an air nozzle, cleaning brush, and viscosity cup. For details, let's watch more.
Hi, I'm Paul Ryan with HomeRight, and today I'm going to show you how to take a room that looks like this and make it look like this in a fraction of the time than if you use brushes and rollers. Introducing the Finish Max by HomeRight, featuring new HVLP technology. High volume, low pressure technology uses a high volume of air at a low pressure to apply the finish. Using lower pressure assures significantly less overspray. This means that an HVLP system will direct the finish where you want it on your project. The Finish Max Power Sprayer is a self-contained spraying machine. It requires no hoses, air compressors, or pumps, and its ergonomic, lightweight design means your arm won't get tired while spraying. See how fast this window molding gets covered? This would take you hours using traditional methods. The Finish Max makes painting so easy. The 4-way spray settings give you precision control. For spraying up and down, align the tabs to the vertical position. Rotate the tabs to a horizontal position for spraying side to side. To spray irregular surfaces, adjust the tabs to a 45-degree angle. You get maximum control by regulating the paint flow. Adjusting the trigger control knob can change your spray pattern from 1 to 6 inches wide. Painting this radiator would be a chore with a brush or roller. With the Finish Max by HomeRight, it's as easy as pulling the trigger and spraying. You'll be able to paint detail projects up to 10 times faster than with a brush, or 3 times faster than with a roller. No more drips or wasted paint. A perfect professional coat every time. Now let's pull back the mask to reveal how quickly and easily this was painted. Notice the smooth, even finish with no brush marks. But that's not all. Look at all the projects you can accomplish with the Finish Max. Think of the painstaking hours it takes to paint all these projects with a brush, roller, or can of spray paint. The Finish Max does all the hard work for you. It can accomplish projects like these with better results. Plus, it saves you money. You can't beat the professional look of a sprayed-on finish. Don't stop there. Tackle all your outdoor painting and staining projects with the pull of a trigger. Painting the old-fashioned way is slow and messy, but not with the Finish Max by HomeRight. It would take you hours to paint deck spindles, handrails, stairs, plus you can't get to the hard-to-reach spots. Don't waste paint or stain. With the Finish Max, you can adjust the spray pattern to fit your project. Perfect finishes are within reach in less time with the HomeRight Finish Max Power Sprayer. Projects have never been faster or easier to finish. The HomeRight Finish Max Power Sprayer is designed to last a lifetime. Its components are made of high-quality plastic, and the brass nozzle assures long-term durability. You've seen us transform a room and many other projects into masterpieces.
Number 4 in our best paint sprayers list is Wagner Spraytech 05188080 Paint Sprayer. The Control Spray Max provides a smooth, consistent finish in less time than traditional painting methods. The controls give you the ability to adjust based on the project you're working on and the type of material being used, which are features that a spray can or brush can't offer. The spray patterns range from ½ inch to 12 inches wide depending on the settings, which allow for optimum control and precision for fine finish work. HVLP technology uses a high volume of air at low pressure to atomize materials into fine particles. This results in a professional finish, with virtually no overspray. Package includes a Control Max sprayer, 1 quart. Metal cup, 1.5 quarts. Plastic cup, 20 feet hose, viscosity cup and user manual. The Control Spray Max will refinish your deck in a fraction of the time it'd take with a brush. Plus, the stationary base will keep your arms comfortable while spraying. Our last pick is Graco Magnum 262805 Paint Sprayer. The Graco Project Series sprayers make it easy for avid DIY homeowners and handymen to power through small to mid-sized jobs with speed and finesse. DIY homeowners and handymen are equipped to save time and money with the Magnum X7. Tackle any indoor project, exterior homes, fences or decks. Includes SG2 metal spray gun, RAC4 515 switch tip, 25 featuring durable paint hose, pump armor storage fluid, power flush adapter, quick startup guide and operation manual. Inlet paint strainer 35 mesh stainless steel screen. Simply applying a new coat of finish to your deck can make all the difference in the appearance of your entire home. And using a Graco sprayer makes it easier and faster. For details, let's watch more.
Completely and evenly distributed onto the surface. In this video, we'll cover several techniques you can use to ensure a quality finish. In this section, we will discuss spray patterns, spray techniques. Before starting your project, if you don't have a lot of experience with spraying, use some scraps of cardboard to test the quality of the spray pattern. You can spray a large, flat area, like the side of a house, that's not easily seen. Or you can practice with water. Just make sure you let the surface dry completely before applying your paint. As you're practicing, start at the minimum spray pressure and slowly increase the pressure until a good spray pattern is achieved. This is a good spray pattern. Notice that there are no runs in the pattern and that the pattern itself is smooth and even. If your pattern has what are known as fingers or tails, an uneven finish, such as this, then the pressure should be increased. Spraying at the lowest pressure possible while still getting a good spray pattern will save wear and tear on your pump and spray tip and reduce overspray. If you're at the maximum pressure setting and the spray pattern is still not suitable, a smaller tip hole size should be used or your material may need to be thinned. Follow the instructions on the back of your material container under Spraying Applications. The gun should be held approximately 12 inches from the surface and aimed straight at the surface. While moving vertically or horizontally, the gun should remain at a consistent distance from the surface. Fanning the gun to direct the spray at an angle causes an uneven finish. Flex your wrist at the beginning and end of each stroke to maintain an even coat. Don't spray at an angle. Keep the gun perpendicular to the surface. To practice proper gun positioning without spraying, try moving the gun and holding it perpendicular to the surface, only about 2 inches from the wall. Notice how at the beginning and end of each stroke, you'll flex your wrist to keep the gun square to the surface. Move out to 12 inches for additional practice. Work in sections only as far as you can comfortably reach. First, spray the outer edges and cut in any corners. Then, aim the gun at the edge of the previous spray pass so the spray pattern is actually overlapping each pass by 1/2. Trigger the gun after starting each spray pass and release before ending the spray pass. Your arm should be moving when the trigger is pulled and released. This will create a nice fuzzy edge around the entire spray pattern so your next pass will blend into the previous pass. Rotating the guard changes the pattern to either vertical or horizontal orientations. When spraying on broad open surfaces, such as ceilings and bare walls, the outside edges should be sprayed first, then the middle can be sprayed more quickly. For vertical corners, turn your guard so the spray tip is on the top and aim your gun into the corner. Spray along the corner, applying an even amount of material along both sides. Typically when painting, it's best to start at the top and work your way down. Begin by spraying any eaves or the underside of overhangs. The direction you spray is determined by the construction. As a general rule, spray horizontal and make sure you direct the spray up a little to spray the bottom lip of your siding. With a little practice, this easy-to-use sprayer will have you spraying like a pro in no time. Remember, point the gun straight at the wall without tilting up or down or angling left or right. Start moving the gun before and after you trigger. Move at a consistent speed, and when spraying, overlap the prior spray pass by 50%. Allow enough time for paint to dry before removing tape from your trim. This will result in crisp, clean lines.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!